Hey my kitty cats, good morning. So today I am officially announcing my Diwali series with this vlog. I will do an Amazon haul later on in this video, but I just wanted to let you know like what we will be doing in this Diwali series. It will feature my room tour, my vanity tour, my YouTube setup, and what camera do I use for my YouTube videos and lighting and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. And also in October we will do some warm-up videos like my skincare and makeup recommendations for Diwali sale. I will try to do a Zara and H&M haul because I recently purchased some things from Zara and H&M, so I will share it in one of the videos. And I hope you like the quality of this camera. I got the Canon G7X because I wanted to vlog and take you behind the scenes. So these are kind of videos where you'll get to know me a little bit more. And yeah, so let's go and do the Amazon haul. So let's go. Okay kitty cats, so let's start the Amazon haul. I recently redecorated my room, my office, or my studio, whatever you want to call it. This is where I record my YouTube videos, and I purchased a lot of home decor stuff from Amazon. And then this made me realize that I have a lot of other stuff too, which is from Amazon, which is for home decor. So this is basically a home decor haul from Amazon. So let's begin with my number one pick, and it's a beautiful gold mirror. I wanted a mirror which looks like sun because I had this space for vanity, and I had a blank space above the vanity, so I wanted to decorate that. And I am a Leo, so I wanted something which symbolizes sun, and so that's why I wanted a gold mirror, a round gold mirror, and I got it from Amazon. And it looks so beautiful, so ethereal, and I can do so many photo shoots with this one. And also this is very sturdy, and the polish is also good. I was really skeptical while ordering this mirror online. It was in my wish list for a long time, but finally I gathered the courage to order it, and it arrived in one piece. And it's a huge mirror. Like, I thought it would be a small mirror, but it's a huge mirror, and I got it for 2,700 rupees, and it has a beautiful leaf pattern. So yeah, this is my number one pick. And if you're looking for a beautiful mirror to decorate your room or your vanity area, this is the one to pick. It's a really good quality and sturdy mirror, so you can go for it blindly. Now let's move on to my next pick, and it's these jute baskets. I wanted something for the storage and also for my plants. It looks really beautiful and bohemian vibe. I got 3 of these baskets for 1,000 rupees, which is a steal, and all of these 3 are of different sizes. Like, this one is the smallest and this one is the biggest. So I highly recommend this, and these are also again good quality. All of these products will be in my description box, so you can check them out. Now let's move on to my fruit basket. I wanted a fruit basket which was bigger in size and also sturdy and also looks beautiful, and I am really happy with this fruit basket. I don't know if you can see it. I will show you a clip of it, and it's a very beautiful sturdy basket. And my mornings start from fruits, so I needed a basket which will contain lots of fruits, you know, not just 2-3 fruits for decoration. But yeah, it's a very practical choice, so I really like it. Yeah. My next pick is the autumn leaves breakfast set. This is a bowl, and I have a teacup. This has a beautiful print on it. I really love these kind of cups, you know. For my coffee, I am a coffee lover, and I have this beautiful plate. Like, do you see this? These are also very good quality and very sturdy and match my vibe. And I got this for around 1,000 or 1,200 rupees from Amazon. I will link it in my description box. You can check that out. And my next pick is stationery. Actually, I have so many notebooks with me. I used to use Chumbak notebooks before this, but then I saw this notebook and it had amazing reviews, so I ordered it, and it's definitely a good one, you guys. And it has these blank A4 pages. Pages are also quite thick. This is where I'm gonna write all of my inspiration and research for my YouTube videos, my November notebook. So now let's move on to my next pick. I also got this very cute poof, a leaf print poof, and this is for me to sit there and do my makeup while looking at the mirror. And it's very sturdy, again very inexpensive, very affordable. Okay, kitty cats, I think I will have to stop this video right here. I will record the rest of it tomorrow with my Canon G7X because now the construction has started and I don't think I can record my video. So I will shoot it tomorrow with my Canon G7X and see you then. Okay, let's finish the Amazon haul. So I also got this tray for my vanity. I wanted to decorate my vanity and I got this beautiful tray. It's a glass gold finish tray. It also has a mirror. So yeah, it's very pretty and I really like it. I keep my perfumes and my skincare and my other perfumes and my crystals. Yes. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing and it is huge. Like, this tray is big, you can see. I will also do a room tour, vanity tour, so you will see all of these things in its place. Right now I'm just showing you. Okay, so I got this beautiful paper lantern from Amazon for very cheap, and I also got these lights. These are made in India and I just made a DIY paper lantern. I also got this beautiful chandelier, beautiful jhumar. I wanted to give it a royal look, like modern plus vintage or royal, and this is just gorgeous. This is one of my favorite purchases from Amazon. I will link it in my description box and you will also see this in my room tour. And then I also have these sheer curtains. These are from Ikea, got it from Amazon. Okay, so let me show you something useful, and this is my laptop table. I also ordered this from Amazon, but this is from Chumbak and you can actually fold it, so I really like it. I got this on sale around 1700 rupees and I feel that it's worth the money. I can get my work done on this table when I feel lazy to get out of my bed in the morning, especially winters are coming. So yeah, I don't use it for my breakfast, I use it for my work. It's pretty big. My laptop easily fits in this. So yeah, I have HP laptop and I have the MacBook. Both of these fit in this table, and yes, I like it. Okay, so that's all about the table. Now let's talk about this poof or stool. It has these wooden legs which is pretty sturdy and I got it from Amazon for 1500 rupees. And if you're worried that your bum might not fit into this, don't worry, it's pretty huge. I easily sit on it and yeah, it's very comfortable and very sturdy. I will link it in my description box if you're looking for something like this similar. Now let's talk about my another favorite thing. It's a vision board. I have to make my vision board for 2020, but you know, like 2020 went down in flames, okay? So yeah, I haven't done it yet, but I will do it for this Diwali or something. And then I also have this inspiration board. It's very Pinteresty, like you must have seen this. It was in black, so I painted it white, but it's pretty good, pretty nice, pretty lightweight. I use these two in my office. Whenever I see something which really inspires me, I print it out or I use the magazine and I decorate this inspiration board for my office. If you have a home office, I would highly recommend that you get these two things because it will keep you going and keep reminding you of your ultimate goals. What happens that sometimes I get really demotivated, and when I look at these two, I realize that okay, this is my ultimate goal, this is why I'm working so hard. So yeah, it will keep you going. And now let's move on to this thing. This is a bamboo cloth rack. This was also from Amazon. I wanted something for my clothes because this is where I shoot my videos in my studio room. This is where I record my YouTube videos and sometimes I have to change, so I keep those clothes here and it's pretty good, like pretty nice for the price. It comes with these screws and it comes in the parts like Ikea, so you will have to build it, and I actually took help of my brother. We both built it together. It's pretty easy. It took us like 1 or 2 hours to build it. And now let's move on to this mirror. This is my beauty mirror. I shoot my makeup videos with the help of this because it has this magnifying glass where I can actually see my eyeliner and my mascara. I'm pretty detailed with my makeup, so it's also from Amazon. Okay, let's talk about this sofa cover very quickly. I got it from Amazon. It's very dusty here because it's a room which is outside, so it gets dusty, and I really like my sofa, so I got this cover. And then this sofa is also from Amazon. I will play a clip. I will show you in my home decor video, but this one is also from Amazon, and it's very sturdy, very comfortable. I also quickly want to show these curtains. These are from LINENWALAS. These are cotton curtains, and the material is pretty thick, you guys. Like, it can block the light in your bedroom but also keep it bright. Like, I do not like the curtains which, you know, just make your room very dark and gloomy. So I got these white curtains, and it has this block print which I love. And yeah, my whole house is wearing these curtains. So yeah, definitely one of the best purchase I made from Amazon. And these are the LINENWALAS curtain. Quality is so good, and these curtains shrink 4 to 5 inches after first wash. So make sure that you buy 4 to 5 inches longer because it's cotton, so it does shrink, but it will shrink only one time and then it will be the same. So yeah, I really love these curtains, you know. I also have this in green. And all of these products that I showed you today will be linked in my description box, so you can check them out. And all of these are my favorites. That's why I'm mentioning in this video. I collected a lot of Amazon stuff over the time, and I showed you just the ones that I really like. So I hope you liked my Amazon haul, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.